Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can catch the Magma Piranha in Fish It Roblox. So for the Magma Piranha in the Kohana Volcano is a legendary tire fish, and I found this fish is a little bit tricky to get because it's easier for me to get the lava fin tuna rather than the piranha. So here I'm going to show you how you can get this legendary piranha in Kohana Volcano, and I'm going to show you the exact location first. So in here I've already inside the Kohana Volcano, but for the piranha I got it a little bit outside the location. So I go outside, and this is where I got the piranha, this little lava in here. So I got the piranha in this exact location. You can also try this one like I do here, but it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so you just need to find the right position, and for the road that I use, I'm using the element road with the singularity bait as the combo. If needed, you can also use the luck totem or maybe luck potions, if also the mutation one. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.